Welcome everyone. Today we're diving into Ansible Modules, the secret sauce of automation. These little snippets of code take the tedious work off our plates and ensure smooth deployments. Think of them as your tech assistant, always ready to make life easier. Whether working solo or teaming up inside a playbook, modules bring efficiency to system management. And the best part, Ansible comes loaded with built-in modules, so you don't have to reinvent the wheel. I'm Amelia James, a technology expert with 13 plus years of experience designing and delivering human resource management systems that actually work for people. I specialize in building scalable integrated HR platforms that streamline processes, enhance employee experience, and give leadership real-time, actionable insights. So what's Ansible all about? Imagine an automation tool that's open source, easy to use, and doesn't demand installing extra software on your servers. Sounds good, right? That's exactly what Ansible does. It makes IT operations smoother, configurations effortless, and uses YAML, which is basically plain English for automation. Plus, it connects via SSH without needing agents. One less thing to worry about. Alright, let's break this down. Modules are basically Ansible's little assistants that execute commands. Need to install packages? There's a module for that. Creating users? Yep, covered. These modules are designed for specific tasks, meaning automation becomes more precise. You can run them one at a time, or put them together in playbooks for a powerhouse of automation magic. Why are Ansible modules important? Well, imagine manually configuring hundreds of servers. Exhausting, right? Modules cut out the hassle by automating tasks with precision, reducing errors, and speeding things up. Plus, they ensure every environment stays consistent, which means fewer headaches for IT teams. So, if you love efficiency and dislike repetitive tasks, modules are your best friend. Creating custom Ansible modules opens up a world of automation possibilities. First, let's understand why custom modules matter. They allow for flexibility that built-in ones might lack. Then we'll dive into their structure and how all components fit together. Of course, Python is our weapon of choice for coding. And finally, the most crucial part, testing. Debugging might seem daunting, but trust me, nothing beats the thrill of seeing a module work flawlessly. Troubleshooting Ansible modules is like being a detective, spotting issues and solving puzzles. We'll start by identifying common errors and understanding debugging techniques. Ansible logs are a goldmine for insights, so knowing how to read them is key. Sometimes, compatibility issues with dependencies can ruin our day, but we'll cover ways to handle them gracefully. Finally, I'll share some best practices to ensure errors don't haunt us in production. Ready to crack the code? Ansible modules make configuration management ridiculously easy. First, we should master using built-in modules. They do a lot of heavy lifting. Then we'll talk automation, because manual configuration changes. No thanks. Idempotency is our safeguard against unwanted surprises, so it's a must-know concept. Lastly, what if something breaks? Well, version control and rollback strategies ensure we always have a safety net. Let's make configuration management a breeze. Security isn't just an option, it's a necessity. Secure coding practices should be baked into every module we create. Then we'll talk about credential management, because exposing sensitive data is a disaster waiting to happen. Access control ensures only the right people can make changes, and role-based security keeps permissions tidy. Finally, auditing and compliance. Let's make sure we're always on the right side of security policies. Ansible isn't just theory, it's practical, powerful, and everywhere. Cloud automation is a game changer, and we'll explore how Ansible makes it effortless. Infrastructure as code ensures consistency, and if you haven't implemented it yet, you're missing out. CI/CD integration with Ansible streamlines deployments like magic. And finally, who doesn't love automating boring admin tasks? Let's dive into real-world applications and see the magic of Ansible in action. The future of Ansible modules. Exciting and full of possibilities. AI-driven automation is making waves, and we'll discuss its impact. Containers are everywhere, so seamless integration with tools like Docker and Kubernetes is a must. Scalability matters as environments grow. How is Ansible keeping up? And let's not forget the community. Ansible thrives because of ongoing contributions and improvements. Let's peek into the future. That's a wrap. We've covered everything from writing custom modules to troubleshooting and security. But remember, learning never stops. There's always something new in automation. Ansible is powerful, and using it effectively can revolutionize your workflows. Lastly, I'll share some valuable resources so you can keep exploring. Now go forth and automate like a pro. Please do like, share, and subscribe to our channel. For more information, contact us.